control your core. And it's just updating the firmware. And you always have it at 6 o'clock position. Very easy product to use. Stage is my favorite. Very, very easy. And power meter's up to date, so we'll slap it on.
It's a big one.
So here we have a little $45 mango meal, organic, local mangoes. Line them up, compost over the edge, put them in the bowl. Let's do it. So there you go, hard rubbish ghetto aero bars. I've dropped the spider. The spider's an extra gram. Every gram counts, mate. Let's get these on the bike. Little hotel. Banana girl. Show us, stand up and show us your new outfit. Here, come on, stand up and show us your new outfit.
Do it again, do it again.
It's Ned Kelly's house. I'm camping there one day.
What are you trying to do to me?
That's Melbourne for you, mate. That's Melbourne. That's what they call it, meth burn. Fucking hell, eh? So I just realised I left my MacBook at the restaurant and the $4,000 Mac, so I'm gonna go back now and see if it's still there. It's gonna be a test of Melbourne-ness.
But instead I'm deciding whether to go to like Melbourne or
Here at Melbourne Airport, we're going to slap the bike back in the box and we're going to back to Adelaide. Radelaide. Melbourne's been fun. Appreciate all the support. Whenever you fly, make sure you put your Allen keys in your bag and put this in the box, otherwise you're going to lose them. And you can clip that to your wheel or your frame, so if the box gets ripped open you won't lose anything. This is the pro way to lift the box through the airport. No worries. I'm at the Adelaide airport. This guy's seat. Look at that seat angle. Look at that seat. He's giving himself a fucking prostate tumor. I'm gonna do a good Samaritan. I'm gonna fix that fucking seat angle, level it out. That's how it's like. It's pointing up here, isn't it? I'm gonna flatten it out. Pretty level. It's pretty level. Now this motherfucker is gonna smash it on Strava. There we go. Put it on the handlebars. Make sure it doesn't go in your front wheel, otherwise you're going to bust your collarbone up.
You look a baby one, it's a small one.
Yeah, maybe.